Well guys, I was about making a content for you guys and I came across something super funny. This guy pulled this through by just snapping pictures and it really cracked me up. That's why I thought, okay, well, let me make a slide for you guys so that you guys get to enjoy exactly what cracked me up this morning. A guy that goes by the name Kamsi Anyaji, a former student of Federal Science and Technical College Rosso that also studied at Michael Okpara University of Agriculture, Umudike, Abia State, and lives in Enugu State, Nigeria, who hails from Oji River, came up with a brilliant idea on how to spend 700 Naira. Wow, 700 Naira if converted to the US dollar is somewhat around $1.something, not even up to $2, but this guy pulled this through. Before I roll the videos to you guys, please, if you're new here, kindly smash on that subscribe button and click the bell icon. That's the only support you can show to my channel. I'll appreciate that, guys. And if you're a returning viewer, you guys are the reason why I'm still on YouTube. Please like this video and share it on all your social media platforms to get this video to other users. And guys, what really cracked me up about the whole of this is how could this guy use 13 seasoning cubes inside just a pot of meal? This is madness. Well guys, enjoy the video. I'll come back at the very end of this video.
over the hills and far from mine. She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
Well guys, I think after watching this video closely, I've discovered a loophole. How would you tell me that this guy used 700 Naira, less than $2 to cook this meal? If you guys notice closely, you realize he has gas, he has Maggi, he has other things that are not part of things he bought from the market, which means it's even more than, well, it's really a great content. But tell me guys, what really cracked you up in this video and what do you like about this guy? Drop into the comment section, let's have a discussion. Tell me what you love about this guy. Yeah, but before you go, please support my channel. This is the only way you can support my channel and it's totally for free. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Thanks guys, peace.
She's